Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add goals in Asana. So to add goals in Asana, you want to go ahead and click on goals on the left hand side. And you want to go ahead and give your goals a title. So I'm going to give my goal as a title. So I'm going to say reach 20K subscribers, right? And I'm going to set the period. The period could be, let's say, for the fourth quarter. Then I'm going to go ahead and click and continue. From here, you can go ahead and set more goals. As you can see right here, it says give your goals a sub goal if you want to. So my sub goal could be reach 12K subs, right? And that's gonna also be, let's say, within the third quarter. Well, you're already in the fourth quarter anyways, but you get a general idea. I'm gonna go ahead and say fourth quarter as well. Next goal could be reach 7K videos. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and set that goal as well to be in the fourth quarter. Then I'm going to create these three goals, right? You could even skip that as well. But here you have your flow and you can see that right here, it's under one specific workspace and I can set that. Here are the other goals and these are sub goals that it's as under. Now, this is just a basic overview of how you can add goals. You can always even change the time period if you so desire. So you have these here that you can basically set up. And this is the basic flow, guys, of your goals. You can easily go ahead and set up these goals or modify the goals if you so desire. And you can even add child goals under those goals. This is basically the strategy map, as you can see in the upper left. Then you have the team goal, which is showing here these goals right here. So you can see the account, you can see the owner, you can see all of this. Then you also have my goals. So this is basically the goals as well, and the period and all those different stuff. So guys, you also can add more tabs if you so desire, but this is just a basic setup. As I said, you can always go ahead and edit any section of it as you wish. You can click on it and you'll be able to see the details, and you can make changes to it as well, to anything that you actually want. But in general, guys, that's basically it. That's how you can go ahead and create a goal in Asana.